Video, you will learn how to create listings or room categories inside Airbnb. So that's your Airbnb account. You have to go to listings, and then here we can see there's a single room for the ambient hotel. There's one more room, and here it's one that has to be edited. So we will have to check what's inside your hotel software or channel manager. For example, we go here and we can see there are single rooms, double room, economy, comfort, triple room and quadruple room. So we will be doing the double room comfort. So we may copy this room. We go back to Airbnb and then we say let's create a new listing. Create a new listing. Get started. And we have to insert the details that are needed. So in this case we have hotel. That's the category of the property. We have a room. It's not a shared room, it's a private room. We need the address. Ambient hotel. Here we go. That's the address on the map as well. We go to next. Yes, my address is correct. Next. How many guests? 2, because it's a double room. Bedrooms 1. Beds 1. It has a lock. Yes. You can untick it. You can say no. But let's say yes in this case. You move forward. Bathrooms, toilets. It's connected to the guest room and it's just for them. We have 1. No need, and not a shared one. We go to next. Who else might be staying? Yeah, just me. You can leave it also empty. Make sure your place stands out. So here you can select the amenities that you have, like Wi-Fi, TV, and any other that you need. So that's really needed to make sure everything is working well, and you highlight your amenities. Click on next. And here we need the pictures. So if you don't have the pictures, you have to go again back to your hotel software. For example, here in management, here in property photo gallery, talk about double room comfort. You may just right click save image and you have all the images here to be downloaded. We go back to Airbnb because we already have pictures, so we will take the pictures from here, upload. That's our cover picture. We can replace it if we need, but that looks good for now. Here that's about the quality, and we just hit next. Short titles. Okay, so we say ambient hotel, double room comfort. Okay, double room comfort. Ambient. Okay, like this. We go to next. Central. You can select more categories. Hit next. Description. We have a hotel description here. So let's just insert it. Okay, that sounds good. That looks good. Here we need more space and so on. We can edit this later also. Hit next button, finish and publish, approve or decline. So we use instant bookings because here will be connected to the channel manager and you get direct XML connection. Any Airbnb guest, that's the recommendation. Anybody can book on the platform. That's the price. The price doesn't play a role now because we will connect the channel manager, but just for security reasons we can insert a high price. Next. You can add the promotion, it's highly recommended, but for now we will not do it, just to keep things simple. And that's like business, that's how we're gonna host. We hit next. It's loading, something went wrong, try again later. Okay, that has worked now. So that's our room, and it's time to publish. We can publish it. That's a video, you can watch the video if you want. Welcome, congratulations. Or next time we hit let's get started button. Here we go, we are on the main page of Airbnb. Go to listings again, and we can see the double room that has been created. We have a single room, double room, and now we should go and proceed with the next rooms that we have here under room types. Should go for the economy or the triple room and do the same steps. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it and this helped you. If you want to edit again, you click here on the room, and you may edit the part, the title, the description or amenities, and save it. That's the end result, how it's going to be seen from the guest perspective. It's nice to see the pictures. So that's how the system looks like. Here is a complete view with all that is needed, the calendar, no reviews for now, and all the information. I hope you enjoyed and have a good day. Take care.